Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Edgeware EVM node for testing. So first, you need to have a terminal in the correct file folder that you want to have the node saved in. In my case, I have it set as Edgeware test. Also, to easily follow along, it's probably good to have this web page pulled up that I have on the Edgeware wiki for setting up your EVM node. The other thing that you will need is Docker. So to download Docker, you can click here and download the correct version that you need for your system. All right, so once you have all that together, we'll get started. So first, you want to clone the GitHub repo. So just copy this and paste it into your terminal. Might take a minute or two to clone the whole thing. All right, so next you want to go into the Docker folder. So you can just copy this here and put that in. Now you're in the Docker folder. And then you want to put in Docker compose up to start the node. So this is what it should look like. It can take a few minutes for it to start working properly before you can start using it. A good way to tell if it's ready to be used is when it stops saying idle. So you see the emoji with all the Z's. It means it's not quite ready yet. So I'll show you what it should look like when it's ready. All right, so that's what it should look like when it's ready. So yeah, when it looks like that, you're good to go. Now I'm going to show you how to connect it to polkadot.js. So go to polkadot.js.org. And then I'll just close Live Networks, click on the Development tab, click Local Node, then click Switch. And then boom. So you can dive deep into your local node and kind of see what's going on. So there's some test accounts set up already with some test edge in it. I encourage you to look around and see what's available to you, and see you in the next video.